Hello, good day everyone. In this lesson, we are going to see how to differentiate y is equal to x squared from first principle. The general formula for differentiation said if you have a function y is equal to x to the power of a certain number, which is n, differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to n x to the power of n minus 1. So if you want to differentiate this function using this formula, that is y is equal to x to the power of 2. So this will become dy by dx is equal to 2x to the power of 2 minus 1, which is also equals to 2x, because 2 minus 1 is 1. So if we differentiate this function using first principle, we will definitely arrive at this answer, which is 2x. So our equation is y is equal to x squared. So let's call it equation 1. So if you want to differentiate using first principle, we are going to add the increment in y and the increment in x as well. So we have y plus increment in y. Increment in y is equal to delta y is equal to x plus increment in x, everything square. So let's try to expand this bracket. So have y plus delta y is equal to x plus delta x multiplied by x plus delta x. So we have y plus delta y is equal to, multiply this x with this one, we get x squared, then plus x multiplied by delta x, we have x delta x, then we have delta x multiplied by x, which is x delta x, then delta x multiplied by delta x, which is delta x squared. So we have x delta x, we have another x delta x. So we are going to add the x delta x. So we have y plus delta y is equal to x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. So from here, since we want to have dy by dx, we are going to take this y to the right hand side of the equation. So we have delta y is equal to x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus y. So from our equation 1, our y is equal to x squared. So we're going to substitute the value of y from this. So we have delta y is equal to x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus our y is x squared. So we have minus x squared. So from here, we have x squared, we have minus x squared. So this will take care of this. So our expression is now 2x delta x plus delta x square. So we have delta x here and we have another delta x here. So let me factorize delta x out from this expression. So have delta y is equal to delta x into 2x plus delta x. So if you expand this, delta x multiplied by 2x is 2x delta x multiplied by delta x is delta x square. So I will now divide both sides by delta x. So this will take care of this. So our expression is now delta y by delta x is equal to 2x plus delta x. So from here, we are going to take the limit from both sides of this equation. So we have limit as delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit as delta x tends to 0 2x plus delta x. So this means wherever you see delta x, we are going to put 0 in place of it because delta x tends to 0. So from our left hand side, we have dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 0. So we have dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 0 is 2x. So this is our final answer. Thank you for listening.